An EAS participant has issued administrative message for the following counties/areas: Fairfax County, VA, Northeast Virginia. At 9:15 a.m. on October 25, 2025, effective until 9:15 a.m. October 26, 2025. The Virginia State Police has issued a Cody alert on behalf of the Fairfax County Police Department on October 25, 2025. At 4:15 hours, the Fairfax County Police Department is looking for Jaleesa Iadgate, 15 years old, white female, red hair, green eyes, 5 foot 5 inches tall, 110 pounds, last seen wearing a black hoodie, black shirt, gray sweatpants, and black Uggs. She was last seen at 15 hours on October 24, 2025, in the 9200 block of Burke Lake Road in Burke. This disappearance poses a credible threat to her health and safety as determined by the investigating agency. For further information, contact the Fairfax County Police Department at 703-691-2131 or visit https://alerts.vsp.virginia.gov.